Hello, my beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here, and thank you so much for coming to hang out with me here on Sugar Fingers. Always a pleasure. Today, I'm actually doing kind of like a nail hack of removing nail glue, but today I wanted to try out distilled white vinegar and see if this truly will work for me. I did put on my last set of nails with nail glue, and I wanted to see if submerging my nail in vinegar would work and how long would it take. It's pretty easy to do. This is all I did in order to try to make this process happen. I am not fond of the smell of acetone all the time, so I wanted to try this. All I did was poured the vinegar into this little, it's actually like a little shot glass or something, I'm not sure what it is, and I soaked it in there all the way in. I definitely waited it out just to see if it loosened it up, and after just a little while I wiggled and boom, it was off, and that was so much fun. Now I also did steal this little thing here. This is my Kiss glue off or something like that they call it, but I did use it to wiggle under my nail, which was so helpful. I'll keep this forever for sure. But yes, it does work. You got to be a little bit more patient, but at least it does get the glue softened up or whatever it does to it, so that you don't have to destroy the nail in case you wanted to keep the nail. So you can soak off your nail glue, press on nails using vinegar. Just be a little bit more patient than usual, and make sure you wash your hands afterwards and get the vinegar off of there and moisturize your hands and fingertips afterwards. And that's it. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me, beautiful babes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and remember to please always keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Bye now.